The Tafty squad has arrived, and we must destroy them. I want the most dangerous heroes of all time. I want them ready to fight. Ready for war. I want the Suicide Squad. You were gathered here today to face one of the funniest groups of all time. They want to destroy you and take our city. That's why you will be sent to face them. We have located their spot, and you will be transferred there with one of our helicopters. Best of luck, squad.
Happy feet, combo. That ain't Falco.
بيسألوا واحد بلدياتنا عامل ايه في الصيام في الحر ده؟ قال اسكتوا والله لولا الوضوء كان الواحد مات من العطش. واحد اسمه نادر اتجوز واحدة اسمها نادرة، خلفوا ولد مهدد بالانقراض.
Oh, I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
Rappers have decided that they don't need DJs. Now, Danny Drive-Thru has turned the tables.
Oh shit, boy! Oh shit, boy! Oh shit, boy! Oh shit, boy!
Yeah.
Oh shit, boy!
Busta Rhymes now. MOP now. What you want now? What you want now? What you want now? What you want? What you want? Want. A buck. Ante up. No. Cut that fool. They want to act stupid gun, but that fool. When I.
واحدة بتقول لجوزها اذبح خروفين بمناسبة 25 سنة على جوازنا. قال لها وايه ذنب الخروفين من غلطة ارتكبها حمار.
Oh shit! What?
You say I have a small dick. What? When your mom saw it, she told me to fuck her quick.